Hi everyone, good morning. Ceci Villegas here, still in Vienna, Austria. And for today's video, we will going to take you to the city center. Maglilibot-libot tayo doon. We will going to visit city attractions, especially the Austrian National Library, which I am looking forward to visit talaga. Since you know me, I love Beauty and the Beast. Doon kinuha yung inspiration ng library ni Beast sa live action. Maghahanap din pala tayo ng birthday cake. Since today is my 30th birthday, maghahanap tayo ng birthday cake. Yun lang, libot, visit some attractions, kakain, and bili ng birthday cake. So without further ado, let's go, let's get started. Here's our balcony. Cold. Yeah, I know. Ang lamig talaga dito sa Vienna. Kitang-kita mo yung city ng Vienna here. Ayan. That's the view from our balcony. Maganda siya. Kasi ang lamig. Baby, what time is it? Nagising ako mga 5:30 because I showered. I did my hair as well kasi alam mo naman tayo, hindi tayo lalabas na kulot. So, nagplancha na din ako. Pack. And magme-makeup lang ako ng very, very light. Pero I feel so good today. Hindi ko ramdam yung pagod. And yeah, let's do our makeup. Say what? Yeah. Girl, you know what's up. Say what? Girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling. Done with their makeup. Simple lang, gano'n. Very bombshell. Soft glam lang tayo for today. Ganyan dapat yung atake pag birthday mo. Diba? For my lips, ito na lang siguro. Okay. So, what can I say about my makeup? Soft glam lang. Nakapagpihis na ako. Nakita ko sa mirror na hindi ko masyadong gusto. Kasi meron akong light dito. So, iba yung effect ng color. Pero pag hindi siya natatamaan ng ilaw, ang pangit niya sa akin. Ang putla ko tignan. So what? Papalitan natin yung lip color. Actually, lip pencil lang yung nilagay ko doon. But, okay. I think this one is okay. Diba? Parang mas switch lang siya tignan. Parang nagko-complement siya sa eyes. Huh? Okay, so tapos na tayo sa makeup. Tignan natin sa natural light paano yung makeup ko. Parang giving kasi siya opaque. Ayan. Diba? Parang mas maganda siya ngayon na may color na yung lips ko. Kasi ang putla ko talaga kanina. Huh? Here's my outfit. Thermal top. Thermal skirt. Ano ba to? Stockings.
Thermal stocking.
20 din lang siya. And then, booties lang ako yung, eto. This one. Yung pang matrix nating boots. Mukha akong brats. Teka lang. Bihis lang ako. Let's go to the breakfast room. Yan mo. Breakfast room nila. Ang daming choices actually. What did you get? Coffee.
Sì, American coffee.
So, we are done with our breakfast. Papunta na kami sa room. And magpapalit lang kami ng jacket. Kasi ang lamig talaga sa labas. It's 6 degrees. 2 degrees more from yesterday. Pero malamig pa din yun, mami. Winter na winter. So, ayan. Pero nilaban ko yung miniskirt, diba? Lalaban natin. As per usual, late na naman kami ni Habi lumabas. Dahil nga nagpicturean kami kanina after breakfast. And, ma, buo talaga yung makeup, oh. Yes, we're going out. It's already na, yeah! Sorry. May patumali. Ang sakit. Natisod ako. I know. So, yeah. Lalabas na kami ng room. Late na kami. Kaya ang dami pa namin gagawin. Ang dami namin lilibutin. So, yeah. Lagyan natin to dito para hindi sila pumasok sa room. Let's go.
Go. Tara na. Ready today?
So, finally nakalabas na kami ni Habi. Actually, hindi siya malamig today. Sakto lang. May konting hangin, but hindi siya ganun kalamig like yesterday. So, doable. Doable. Anyways, ayan yung hotel namin. Hindi siya kita yung hotel, pero naandyan lang yung hotel namin. Teka lang, wala pala akong mic. Magmamic ako later. Walking. Walking. Ay, ang ganda, ma! Ayun, dahil sa kaka-video ko kanina, naiwan kami ng metro. Pero mami, yung makeup ko talaga buo. What do you think of my makeup, me?
It's very good.
It's very good. Yun lang. Di ba lang sinabing very beautiful?
Because I made it.
Di ba lang sinabing very beautiful? It's very good lang. Susera. Ay, ganda. Photographer yan. Patingin ako. Back. Let's go. Mag-aalay lakad pa kami. So, tuloy-tuloy ang aalay lakad. Nako, maganda dito. Papayat ka. Sa kagagahan ko, mukhang nawala ata kami ni Habi.
Schmetterlinghaus, vero?
Yes.
Vomito Schmetterlinghaus.
Parang nagmagaling kasi ako. Sabi ko, kabisado ko naman yung lugar. Parang pabalik na kami dun sa hotel. Kanina pa kami naglalakad. So, ayun. Alay lakad ulit papunta doon sa doon sa dati naming spot. Ay nako, minsan talaga sa tour, ganda lang yung naiaambag ko. 1 kilometer. Oh, sabi sa iyo tanda ko tong tanda ko tong lugar na to Naiba lang ako talaga ng way. We're going to enter now. Try namin kumuha ng ticket. Sana makakuha kami. And sana hindi crowded sa loob kasi I saw a lot of people entering. So, which is maaga pa naman. Opening hours is from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So, open na siya, guys. Let's go. We got the tickets, guys. Ito yung entrance. Ang ganda. Good morning, everyone. Tanggalin ko lang yung mic. Good morning, everyone. Nandito na kami sa Austrian National Library. yung sinasabi kong kinuha yung inspiration for library ni Beast, dun sa Beauty and the Beast. So, listen.
Please, the stick just not pulling up. So this size is okay, but not pulling up.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Meron talaga silang certain rooms dito. Beauty and the Beast talaga yung kontak dito. Anyways, I am sitting here in the corner with hubby. Actually, ang ganda ng point of view ko ngayon. This is my point of view right now. Ang ganda, promise. Meron ding mga books dun sa taas, but unfortunately, we cannot go upstairs kasi nga these books are very fragile. Kaya it's a feast for the eyes only. Hindi siya pwedeng hawakan. Hindi siya pwedeng buklatin. But I love the place. Maybe I will sit here for like another 5 minutes just to take it all in. Yan, papunta kami ngayon sa Museum of Kaiserschatzkammer. Basta yung mga jewelry ng royals dito sa Austria. And ayun, pupunta tayo doon ngayon. Actually, sa likod lang siya ng Austrian National Museum. So, walking distance lang. Sana, oh my God, ang daming tao. Yan yung palace. It's the Hofburg Imperial Palace here in Vienna. And dyan nakatira dati yung mga royals, yung mga dugong bughaw, mga ganon. How I wish. Actually, ang lamig ngayon talaga. I know. I see. Ay, sorry, meron din palang mga seats dito. Pwede kang umupo just to admire. Pero it's not the case right now kasi sobrang mahangin siya. Kaya feel na feel mo yung lamig. So, this is the exit. Ayan, nilibot lang namin tong Volksgarten. Ganda. Grabe, tignan mo yung structure. Ewan ko kung halata yun, pero ang laki. Ang ganda. Ayan si Habi. Very photographer. Ito siya. Parliament Austria. Ayun. Ganun siya ibigkas. Okay. We are back in ayun. We are back in Berggarten. And naghanap kami ng food. Kaso nakita namin itong open. So, pumasok kami. At nandito yung monument for Mozart. So, ito yun. Diba? Ang ganda. Tapos, may flower dito na ang form is yung G clef note ba yun? Ayun. Since Mozart is a pianist and composer, right? Writer, composer, and also pianist.
The best.
One of the best, and he is from Austria. We are in another part of Vienna. I think it's more calm. It's all white, actually. The houses are all white. Bumalik kami ng hotel kanina just for me to change my top kasi mababa yung neckline. At ang hangin dito, kaya sinisipon ako ngayon. Gawa ng nung nasa labas kami kanina umaga, super hangin. Kaya, ayun. And after walking for a few minutes, we arrived here at Stephansdom, also known as the St. Stephen's Cathedral, one of the oldest church here in the city of Vienna. They built it from 1137 until they completed the church in the year 1578. So more than 300 years siya ginawa, and kitang-kita mo naman sa design and exterior ng church. Ang ganda, very symmetrical. And if you're amazed from the exterior, wait till you see the interior ng church. Ma-amaze ka ng bongga. Luckily, walang masyadong tourists, so madali lang kami nakapasok ni Habi dito sa loob ng church. And look how beautiful the interior of this church is. Ang ganda. Speechless ako. Since nandito naman na tayo, tradisyon nating mga Pinoy ang mag-alay ng candle sa birthday natin to thank God for this wonderful gift of life and sa lahat ng blessings na natatanggap natin. We just got out from St. Stephen's Cathedral. And I must say, ang ganda ng place, ang ganda ng interior tsaka exterior ng simbahan. I've got a chance to go there and pray. And I just want to thank God for an amazing year and an amazing, wonderful vacation with my husband. Ngayon, we're just hunting for a small cake. Kahit yung maliit lang, I don't really care kung anong klaseng cake siya. I just want to have a birthday cake with candle that I can blow later tonight after dinner. Kasi, alam nyo naman, I cannot eat sweets, chocolates, something like that. But, a cake should be nice. So, ayun, naghahanap lang kami ngayon. Napaka-busy dito sa part na to. There's a lot of people. Tourist actually yung mga karamihan dito sa sa center na to. Just to see the St. Stephen Cathedral. So we found a cake shop and it's called the Oberla. And try natin pumasok. Sana meron silang kahit small cake lang just for me. If not, kahit yung maliliit lang, pieces, ganon. So let's go. We found a cake, a small one. Ang cute. Yun na lang. Kasi may birthday cake naman ako on Saturday. Tapos meron din mga cakes dito which are divided as well. So that's amazing. And then we're going to have a dinner now on a restaurant we booked last night. It's a Chinese restaurant. So, yep. Babe, pakita mo yung pena. Yeah, we got it from Uberla and it looks amazing. Sana it tastes amazing as well. Kaya, let's see mamayang gabi kung anong lasa. By the way, hindi pala ako kakain mamayang gabi ng cake. Kakainin ko siya tomorrow since I have a limit. Dahil nga dun nga sa gastritis ko. But, we'll taste tomorrow since meron naman kaming mini fridge dun sa room. Pwede kong i-conserve yon until tomorrow. Ngayon, we're just going to the restaurant we reserved last night to have our dinner. And we'll see you there. Japanese restaurant that we found. Maganda yung reviews, guys. So, we will going to try. Nag-order na kami ng food. Yung unang dumating is miso soup, which is naubos na ni Habi. Ako hindi pa. Nag-order kami ng sushi kasi yun lang na yung nakakain ko. Sushi with avocado, yun lang. So, dumating na yung second plate. Ano to, baby? Peking duck roll? Yeah. Dumating na yung food ni Habi. It's puro avocado lang yung akin. And gano'n.
That's very ganda.
Pero hindi ako kumakain ng wasabi tsaka pickled ginger. Hayaan na. Sana hindi ito mayonnaise. And we're home. Ayan, what a very productive day.
Yeah.
Okay. So, ito yung cake na nabili namin kanina from Oberla. And we were going to unbox it. Ayan. Oh my God, ang cute. Oh, diba? Ang cute! Ang cute ng mga cakes. Sana hindi mahulog kasi I have, lagi akong unlucky sa mga ganito pag nag-unbox ako or gusto ko ipakita yung mga cakes. Ang cute na. So, bellissimo eh. Narang. Ano to? Strawberry and then yung usual nila na cake, which is this one. Ito yung parang trademark nila dun sa Oberla na cake. Paano mo mag-zoom? Ganyan pala. Paano ba? Ayaw. Ito pala yung face. Ayan! Bounty cover pala yung face. Ganun dapat. Anyways, ito yun. And, ayan, magpipicture-picture lang ako with this one. Bukas na namin siya kakainin because we're full. So, yeah. Since hindi kami pwedeng ano ba yan? So, since hindi kami pwedeng mag-lit ng candle dito, kasi may fire detector. Smoke detector. Mag-lit kami ng candle dun sa labas, dun sa balcony. Which is, kailangan namin mag-jacket kasi super lamig. So, let's do it. Let's do it now. Like it. Okay. Mami, jubot. Thank you. Okay. So, paano ba? We will use your phone. Meron din silang binigay na candle sa amin. Which I asked pala. Kasi syempre, alam nga naman na maghahanap pa ako ng candle, no? Chalo iyo.
C'est quoi, là?
C'est quoi le lit?
Le là?
Si. Togli.
Cosa?
Questa.
Perché?
Non ci sta. Ganyan na lang. We had a wonderful day today. We explored the city of Vienna, visited a lot of new places. We also went to a church on my birthday, and of course, we had a lovely dinner. But for me, the best part of this vacation is spending it with my husband. I want to thank all the people who took their time to message me and greeted me on my birthday, to all of my family and friends, and of course, we could not forget God. And of course, we are not going to call it a night without us saying happy birthday and me making a wish and blow the candle.
Ti auguri a te.
Okay. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!